So we have another weekly video for our Wednesday series, We Treat It Wednesdays. Today we're going to talk about wrist pain. I've had a lot of patients come in here lately with wrist issues, whether it's doing push-ups or sitting at your desk or anything where you actually have to put pressure with your wrist and extension and you put pressure there. Typically what happens is you have bones in your wrist called your carpal bones, and what can happen is when you actually, and I use Melissa's demonstration here, when you bring your wrist back like that, if your carpal bones aren't moving correctly or if there's inflammation in there, what can happen is the bones will actually jam together. And so when you go into this extension with compression motion, imagine doing a push-up, you actually can get jamming on your wrist. And it's a pretty simple solution to take care of. There's some treatments we do, active release and Graston. So with active release, what we do is basically just find where the tension is in the ligaments that are sort of restricting and compressing those carpal bones, and we basically remove the tension. And once you remove the tension, the carpal bones glide better, and then when you bend your wrist back, you actually have normal wrist function and you're not going to get the pinching anymore. The other thing we could do is take a Graston instrument here, and depending on what's the cause of the pain, we can actually get in with the instrument and it forms right around the side of the wrist here. And we can actually work on the ligaments of the wrist, we can even work in between the carpal bones and ligaments, and the combination of active release and Graston is really effective in getting rid of these wrist injuries really quickly.